Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Saturday, Family Fun Day. We have a 2-layer cake. Unless you're a payroll Fly Baby patron or lion and you have chosen not to do your basic weekly plan during the week and or your zone. So if that's the case, today you're going to be working on your basic weekly plan from the week that you missed. So if it's groceries or if it's weekly home blessing hour or car and purse, whatever it is, hopefully you didn't miss anything because you had a little bit of time every day after work to get those things done. Sometimes you could even do them at work. I know how it feels to work. I worked my entire life. So I know what that feels like, and I know you don't want to, but once you do it, you have Saturday free. Now, if you've chosen not to, that's fine. If this is something you want to do on Saturday, that's great too. So we're going to do those things today. We're going to work in our zone. We're going to do our basic weekly plan. I still suggest you delegate that basic weekly plan. It's very simple little jobs. If your children are 9 years old or older, they can do every single one of those. They have the manual dexterity, the fine motor skills, and the gross motor skills to do the job, and they have the brains to do the job. So you just have to be the person who is in charge and oversee that job by going to check to see if they did what you told them to do, inspecting what you expect. Also, a clutter check is going to be important for you 3 times today, just as it is important 3 times during the week. If you work, it's before you go to work, when you come home from work, and before bed. If you don't work outside of the home, I know being an at-home mother is work, and I've done that as well. It's morning, after lunch, and before dinner, or after dinner, or before bed. You know, pick 3 times to check for clutter so that these places that you're decluttering don't reclutter. Okay, because otherwise you're fighting the tide. You know, it's going to keep coming in, all that clutter coming in, and you're pushing it away, and it's coming in, and that's so frustrating. It doesn't feel like you ever want to do that anymore. So stop doing that. Start checking for clutter and making people pick up things that they don't realize they've left out. It doesn't mean you're mean, it means you're firm. You can always be kind. There's a difference between nice and kind. Kind is from the heart, okay? That's a nugget. All right, so Family Fun Day is today. So once you get your work done, the second thing to do today is Family Fun Day. That's our basic weekly plan for today. So let's go have some fun with the family. Our routines are going to happen today as they always happen. So you've got your morning routine, which we've gone over for months now. So hopefully that's in your mind. And then if you've done the morning routine already, you're going to make sure your children go through their routines. We want to make sure that they're up and enjoying the day with you. This is our Family Fun Day. Do something even if it's pouring down rain. You know, play a game together. Do something together. Learn how to be a family together instead of letting the kids just be buried in games off on their own. Let's share our familyhood today, right? Okay. The next thing we're going to do is, if you have laundry to do, you're going to run your laundry. You're going to go through an inch of paper. At home, people, your laundry can totally be handled during the week. So on the weekend, you don't have laundry. Now, you may have older children that you delegate laundry days to for themselves, and this could be one of their days where you're going to inspect what you expect. Okay, next thing we're going to do is after dinner, we're going to have our after dinner routine, which again is another family project. And then it's before bed routine, and that's what we're focused on right now. So your before bed routine is for you to get out your planner and check tomorrow. What's on it? Are you going to church tomorrow? Then you know what to lay out to wear. What jewelry to lay out, what shoes to lay out, what dress to lay out, or pants, or whatever it is you're going to wear. You also can do the same for the children, or talk to them about what they're going to wear and why, because you're going to church tomorrow. Get the headset right for them, that they know that's what's happening. And then you're going to check to see if there's anything else you're doing. You know, what else do you have to plan for tomorrow so that you don't forget? Or maybe you're supposed to make brownies to bring to church for the bake sale, and you forgot. Well, it's a good thing that you looked at it, isn't it? Because you're going to bake brownies tonight. I hope that didn't happen to you. I hope that you look ahead as you're looking for tomorrow. I hope that you always look ahead a couple of days just to make sure you're aware of what's happening, okay? All right, the next thing is going to be, okay, kids before bed routine and then you're going to do your before bed routine. So your before bed routine is checking your planner. It's making sure the kitchen looks good, wiping out the sink, putting out a new towel. You don't have to scrub the sink like elbow grease scrub. I spray mine with a little Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. You can use whatever you want. I use the dirty towel or cloth from the day, and then those go in the laundry to hang up and dry, and then I wash them with the towels, put a fresh towel out. And then it's bath time for me. So at night I take my bath. You may choose to take a bath or shower in the morning. It's up to you, but for me, it's bathe and then wash my face, get my makeup off, put on some moisturizer. I use a little eye cream, a little lip moisturizer. I've already put my jewelry away. I give my hair a good brushing to get the day out of it. Put on my PJs, hang my clothes up if they're still clean, put them in the dirty clothes if they're dirty, wipe out the sink, hang up my towel. That's it. There's not much more other than maybe going to read something or whatever, but determining already before I even start my evening routine what time I need to be asleep, because I know I'm getting up at 6 to go to church or whatever. All right? And remember to set your alarm. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.